Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone is fit and fine and doing well at home. So today we are going to learn something about nutrition and our daily routine food, what we need to eat for healthy lifestyle. So there are different food groups. First of all, carbohydrates. Secondly, fats. Third, protein. Four number, vitamins and minerals, and in the end, water. So every food group is very necessary for our life to live and grow and play. So if we talk about carbohydrates, carbohydrates give us energy or instant energy. And second, if we talk about fats, fats also gave us energy, but they gave us very slow energy, because carbohydrate is our first energy source, and secondly fats. And one more thing, if you don't do physical activity or your lifestyle is very sedentary, so you may become fat or slow in your movements. So for good lifestyle we need to have some physical activities as well. Thirdly, if we talk about protein, protein basically builds our muscle and very necessary for our muscle, and protein is our third energy source. And first carbohydrates, second fats, and third one is protein. So protein also help us to grow broader in muscles. Fourth one is vitamin and minerals. So vitamins and minerals keep our body healthy and improve our immune system. And next one is water. Fifth number, water is very necessary for our life, because it makes our body neat and clean and fresh, and save us from different diseases, and helps in our digestion. So we all have to drink good amount of water on daily basis. Guys, currently we got some information about food groups. Now we are going to learn about uh, which foods are necessary for our bodybuilding, growth and height. So first one is dairy products: milk, cottage cheese, calcium and vitamins, which helps in cell growth in our body. So we have to eat dairy products on regular basis. Second one is eggs. Basically eggs in protein. Eggs are rich of vitamin B12 and protein. They also have riboflavin, which are essential for growth and height. So we have to eat eggs on regular basis if we want to increase our height. Next one is guys, chicken. Chicken is best source of building muscle and your growth in your tissues. So it helps in your growth and your height. Next one is banana. Banana is full of potassium, manganese and calcium. So eating bananas on daily basis are very necessary for in your growing age. Next one, guys, oatmeal. Oatmeal basically it's a breakfast food. So if you eat good amount of oatmeal at your breakfast time, so you will get good height and improve your muscles. Okay, next one is nuts. Basically, nuts are rich of minerals and vitamins. And what is good about nuts? Nuts have a good amount of good fats. So we have to eat nuts on regular basis. Nuts are very essential for your height and growth on regular basis. So next one is green veggies, guys. Green veggies are very necessary for us. We have to eat on regular basis, and because green veggies contain good amount of fiber, minerals and vitamins, so we have to eat green veggies on daily basis. Next one is fruits contain vitamin C and D, helps us to grow taller and make us fit and strong. So we have to eat good amount of fruits on regular basis. Next one is, guys, as everyone likes, fish is rich in proteins, contain vitamin D, so that's why we need to eat fish. uh, uh, Fish also improves our bone density. So bone density is very important for, in our growing age, so we have to eat fish. And last one, guys, sunshine is very important for everyone, because sunshine gave us vitamin D3, and vitamin D3 is very good for our bone density. So we have to take sunshine on regular basis. And last one is junk food, guys. We have to skip junk food, because junk food is not good for our health, especially in our growing age. So avoid everything like junk food and bakery items. Thank you very much. And if you want to drink uh, juice, so try to drink fresh juice. Thank you very much. Hopefully I gave you enough information about initial nutrition. So I am going to tell you all some cardio exercises which you can do in 10 feet square. So first exercise.